Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add background color to text in WordPress. Firstly, I will show for the Gutenberg block editor. After that, I will show for the classic editor. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going to my all post section. After that, I am going to open a post in Gutenberg block editor. I will show you how you can make the paragraph background color, how you can make the headline background color. First of all, I want to make background color for this paragraph. So just click there. You don't even need to select all or anything because it's a block. When I click anywhere of this block, that block is going to active. So click there and in the right side you will get the background color option. So just click on that background option in Gutenberg. So background, and I am making this accent color as a background. You see background color created. Even if you wish you can change. Even there has a color palette above. I am talking about this part. So if you click there and you can customize your color from there, even another color if you want to pick, you can pick. That's work perfectly. Okay. Now I want to change the background color of headings. This is the H2. I want to make a background color for this H2. Same way, just click there or select, that doesn't affect. After that, click on background and give a color from there. Background color is displaying here, you see. So if I check the preview of this post, then how it looks like with the background color, let's see. This paragraph background color is showing like this and heading background color is like this. And in my previous video I already shown how you can make the text color. So if you need to change the text color, you can watch that video, and in the right corner that video link is displaying, so you may click there. Now it's time to check the classic editor, how the background color system work. Let's go. Now I am going to open this post in classic editor. For the classic editor, if I want to change the background color of this paragraph or of this headline, I have to use a small CSS code. Now I am showing that. For example, for this paragraph, I want to change the background color. So firstly, I have to click top right corner this text option. Beside visual option, there is a text option. Have to click there, and after clicking, you see there's the paragraph tag, p tag starting, p tag ending. So at the p tag, starting p tag, I have to write a code. Just I'm showing it now. I'm making it zoom, then you can easily see what I am writing here. After p, I am giving a space and I am writing this small code. Style equal quotation background color, then what color code you are giving here, that color will display as a background color. I will give you this small code in video description, so you can easily copy that. Perfect. So I am making it smaller and save draft, update, and you see there has a background color. So if I want to change the background color, what I have to pick the other color code what I want to give. For example, I want to give this as a color, so I copied that color code and I am going to that CSS code, and here is a color code, just changing that color code and you will see the change, update, and giving a refresh here, you see background color changed. So now I am going to change the headline background color. So I am copying this code and I will use the same code for the headline also. So if I come to the visual section, then I will find which one is headline. So this one is headline. So I have selected this one and I am clicking on right side text. After that, you see this is the H2. So I have to paste the code here. So if I paste the code here like this, then it will work perfectly. Whatever have there, you no need to worry. Just like this is H2 tag, that was P tag, and any just is after the starting tag. After the starting tag, you should paste this code and use the background color code. That will work perfectly. So I am giving update and I am giving a refresh at the front end. You see that background color is working for headline also. So it's very simple. If you need, you can change the background color. For example, I want to change this background color to like, okay, I'm taking the color code here. So I want to change the color to this color. So I just copied that color, and for H2, I mean heading 2, I am just changing the color code, paste and update. So give a refresh, this heading background color changed. It's done for the today. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.